Welcome to Learn and Play with Austin. Let's count the red apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 red apples. Good job. The English alphabet by Learn and Play with Austin. Hello, children. Let's learn the English alphabet letters. Let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. The alphabet song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Words that start with letter C. C. Cat. K. Cat. C. Car. K. Car. C. Candle. K. Candle. C. Candy. K. Candy. C. Camping. K. Camping. C. Coins. K. Coins. C. Cave. K. Cave. C. Cake. Cake. Good job, kids. Words that start with letter B. B. Ball. Ball. B. Butterfly. Butterfly. B. Berries. Berries. B. Bear. Bear. B. Bag. Bag. B. Beans. Beans. B. Boat. Boat. B. Bell. Bell. Good job, kids. Words that start with letter A. A. Apple. Apple. A. Alligator. Alligator. A. Astronaut. Astronaut. A. Ant. Ant. A. Axe. Axe. A. Army. Army. A. Arm. Arm. A. Anchor. Anchor. Good job, kids. The shape song. This is circle, this is circle, it is round, it is round. There is no corners, there is no corners, it's a circle, it's a circle. This is square, this is squared, four equal sides with four equal sides. You can make a cube, you can make a cube with a square, with a square. That's a triangle, that's a triangle with three corners, three corners. Can you make a triangle like a cone? That's a triangle, that's a triangle. It's a rectangle with two longer sides, with two longer sides. Rectangle is long, rectangle is long. That's a rectangle, that's a rectangle. It's a wonderful day. Are you excited to learn something new? Yes, I am excited too. Today will be a colorful day because we are going to learn the colors of the rainbow. Do you know the colors of the rainbow? Do you also know how many colors does it have? Let's find out together. This is a rainbow. We see a rainbow after the rain. And these are the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Let's repeat the colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Nice! Good job! Now, let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow! The rainbow has 7 colors on it. Good job counting! ABC animals. A. Alligator. B. Bear. C. Cow. D. Dog. E. Elephant. F. Frog. G. Goat. H. Hen. I. Iguana. J. Jaguar. K. Kangaroo. L. Lion. M. Monkey. N. Newt. O. Octopus. P. Parrot. Q. Quail. R. Rabbit. S. Snake. T. Turtle. U. Unicorn. V. Vulture. W. Whale. X. X-ray fish. Y. Yuck. Z. Zebra. Good job, kids! Days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Days of the week. Which of the vehicle below is the smallest? Is it the helicopter? Or is it the bus? Or maybe the car? The car is the smallest. Good job! Matching big letter to small letter. Where's the small letter A? Letter B. And letter C. That's right. Good job! Small letter D. Letter E. And letter F. That's right. Good job, kids. Small letter G. Letter H. And letter I. Very good, kids. Small letter J. Letter K. And letter L. Wow, amazing! Good job! Small letter M. Letter N. And letter O. Correct! You're doing great! Small letter P. Letter Q. And letter R. That's right, kids! Small letter S. Letter T. And letter U. Wow, amazing! Good job! Small letter V. Letter W. And letter X. Very good, kids! Small letter Y. And letter Z. Wow, that's great! Good job, kids! Let's learn the alphabet by Learn and Play with Austin. Hello, kids! Are you ready to learn the alphabet letters? Let's go! This is letter A, and A sounds Apple starts with letter A. What letter is this? That is letter A. Good job. This is letter B, and B sounds B. Bird starts with letter B. What letter is this? Letter B. Good job. This is letter C. And C sounds K. Car starts with letter C. What letter is this? Letter C. You're right. This is letter D, and D sounds D. Dog starts with letter D. What letter is this? Letter D. Very good. This is letter E, and E sounds E. Elephant starts with letter E. What letter is this? Letter E. Good job. This is letter F, and F sounds F. Fire starts with letter F. What letter is this? Letter F. You're right. This is letter G, and G sounds G, G. Gate starts in letter G. What letter is this? Letter G. Very good. This is letter H, and H sounds h, h. Hand starts letter H. What letter is this? Letter H. Correct. This is letter I, and I sounds E, E. Insect starts with letter I. What letter is this? Letter I. Very good. This is letter J, and J sounds J, J. Juice starts with letter J. What letter is this? J. Well done. This is letter K, and K sounds K, K. Kite starts with letter K. What letter is this? Letter K. Very good. This is letter L, and L sounds L, L. Lion starts with letter L. What letter is this? Letter L. Good job. This is letter M, and M sounds M, M. Money starts with letter M. What letter is this? Letter M. You're right. This is letter N, and N sounds N, N. Nose starts with letter N. What letter is this? Letter N. Well done. This is letter O, and O sounds O, O. Octopus starts with letter O. What letter is this? Letter O. Good job. This is letter P, and P sounds P, P. Pencil starts with letter P. What letter is this? Letter P. Very good. This is letter Q, and Q sounds K, K. Quail starts with letter Q. What letter is this? Letter Q. You're right. This is letter R, and R sounds R, R. Rain starts with letter R. What letter is this? Letter R. You're right. This is letter S, and S sounds S. Sun starts with letter S. What letter is this? Letter S. Very good. This is letter T, and T sounds T, T. Turtle starts with letter T. What letter is this? Letter T. You're right. This is letter U, and U sounds Umbrella starts with letter U. What letter is this? Letter U. You're right. This is letter V, and V sounds V, V. Violin starts with letter V. What letter is this? Letter V. You're right. This is letter W. And W sounds w, w. Whale starts with letter W. What letter is this? Letter W. Very good. This is letter X, and X sounds x, x. Xylophone starts with letter X. What letter is this? Letter X. Good job. This is letter Y. And Y sounds y, y. Yak starts with letter Y. What letter is this? Letter Y. Correct. This is letter Z, and Z sounds z, z. Zebra starts with letter Z. What letter is this? Letter Z. Very good.